Mercury, named after the Roman messenger god, is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. It orbits the Sun at a distance of about 36 million miles, 58 million kilometers, and completes one orbit roughly every 88 Earth days. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury's surface experiences extreme temperature variations, ranging from scorching hot temperatures of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, during the day to freezing cold temperatures of around -290 degrees Fahrenheit, -180 degrees Celsius at night. This stark contrast is due to its lack of atmosphere, which fails to trap heat. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, resembling the Moon, and it also has extensive plains and scarps believed to have formed due to tectonic activity. Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet, due to its similar size and composition, is the second planet from the Sun. However, despite its similarities to Earth, Venus is a harsh and inhospitable world. It is covered by a thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid that obscure its surface from view. The greenhouse effect caused by its dense atmosphere traps heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures averaging around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. Despite being rocky like Earth, Venus lacks the presence of water and has a surface marked by extensive volcanic plains, large impact craters, and towering volcanoes. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet to support life. It is the largest of the 4 rocky planets and has a diverse range of environments, including oceans, continents, and polar ice caps. Earth's atmosphere is predominantly composed of nitrogen and oxygen, along with trace amounts of other gases, creating a breathable mix for humans and many other forms of life. The presence of liquid water, a moderate climate, and a protective magnetic field make Earth uniquely suited for sustaining life. From towering mountain ranges to vast oceans teeming with biodiversity, Earth is a planet of remarkable diversity and beauty. Mars, often called the Red Planet due to its rusty reddish appearance, is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is a cold and desert-like world with a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide. Mars has fascinated scientists for centuries due to its potential for harboring life. Its surface is marked by vast deserts, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, including the largest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris. Mars is also home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, and its 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are likely captured asteroids. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter more than 11 times that of Earth. It is a gas giant composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, similar in composition to the early solar nebula from which the planets formed. Jupiter has a dynamic atmosphere with colorful cloud bands and swirling storms, including its most prominent feature, the Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth. Jupiter also boasts a ring system, although it is faint compared to Saturn's, and a diverse collection of moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn is renowned for its spectacular ring system, which consists of countless icy particles and debris orbiting the planet. It is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system, and like Jupiter, is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn's rings are made up of particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to large boulders, and they span thousands of kilometers in width. In addition to its rings, Saturn has a complex atmosphere with colorful bands and storms. Its largest moon, Titan, is the 2nd largest moon in the solar system, and is shrouded in a thick atmosphere of nitrogen and methane. Uranus is an ice giant located beyond Saturn and Jupiter. It is unique among the planets in our solar system because it rotates on its side, with its axis tilted almost perpendicular to its orbit around the Sun. This unusual orientation is believed to be the result of a collision with a massive object early in its history. Uranus has a pale blue-green appearance due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, and it lacks the distinct cloud bands seen on Jupiter and Saturn. Despite its relatively featureless appearance, Uranus has a system of faint rings and a diverse array of moons. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun, completing one orbit approximately every 165 Earth years. Like Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant with a bluish hue, although it is slightly darker in color. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives it its distinct blue coloration. Neptune has a dynamic atmosphere with high-speed winds and large storms, including the famous Great Dark Spot, a storm system similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It also has a faint ring system and a diverse collection of moons, including Triton, which is thought to be a captured Kuiper Belt object.